Hi everybody, it's Kaylee here and I hope you all are having a great day wherever you are. And today is day 7 of the 14 days of love and I will finally be bringing you all a tutorial. Okay, so this tutorial is going to be nice and simple. Just something if you don't want to go all out with lashes or a bold lipstick or a crazy eyeshadow look or whatever. This is what that is for. So I have on this shirt today because I would wear something simple to go with this shirt because the shirt is nice enough to take up the spotlight. But anyway, if you want to see my simple Valentine's Day look, then please keep watching. So for primer, I'll be using the Benefit Pore Professional primer, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this, if you call that a little bit, and just smooth it all on my face just to get me a nice base to put my foundation on. Up close and personal because this is a tutorial and I want you all to see what I'm doing, okay? I really like to focus this primer on my nose because that's where the majority of my pores are. But yeah, that's that. So for foundation, I'll be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I'm going to be mixing 06 Sand Beige and 09 Tan. Because when I picked these up, these were the only shades that I saw that would match me probably. And I was just too fast to wait or to search around for my color. Because when these first came out, they were hot. Okay. So I'm just going to mix these two in. It's a lot on my brush. The thing about this brush, this is the motor brush that I've gotten from Walmart. The thing about this brush is that it soaks up a good deal of the product in the inside. And so that makes it very hard to clean. Okay, I'm going to take care of this because I look like an orange Oompa Loompa and I'll be right back. So, I know what it looks like. It looks a little too orange. My chest is actually a lot lighter than like my arm because if you can see, I mean, it's still too orange, but my arm doesn't look as bad. Okay, I'm making it worse. Anyway, in this tutorial, just focus on my eye look and blush color and lip color rather than this foundation. That's what's going to get us through this. So to help with this foundation, I'm going to be going in my Coastal Scents palette. And I'm going to use this bronzer in this brighter shade right here to just set this foundation. This foundation can get very messy if you do not set it because it is such a thick formula that you have to like really overwork it to get it to settle into your skin. But once you do, I mean, yeah. So this actually made it look better, I think. But yeah. And so I'm just going to continue on with the face since I have this handy palette here. So I'm going to contour, and to contour I'm going to use this shade right here. I got this in a BoxyCharm. I wonder if like I can get this like outside of BoxyCharm, you know what I mean? Like off of Coastal Scents website. Oh shoot. Oh no. I thought this wasn't picking up. You know why? Because I'm using my blush brush instead of my bronzer brush. Oops. Okay, so I'm done bronzing. It might look a little harsh on camera, but in real life it looks fine. And I do it like I put a lot of bronzer, especially on my cheeks since my face is rounder. So that helps slim it down a little bit. And so I'm actually going to use my blush brush this time and go into this soft pinky shade and just give it a flush on my cheeks. Flush on the cheeks. Oof. I'm skimming through a lot of this because, I mean, I'm just doing face makeup and you don't really need to see all of this because this is not the main point of the video. I mean, it is, but yeah. Especially the blush because I'm doing like a lighter color blush. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take this e.l.f. fan brush and this Milani blush in Coralina. And I'm just going to use this to highlight because this is a pretty bright blush. And I don't like blush that has glitter in it. So, do y'all see them powders? So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my cheeks because a little bit of this goes a long way. You see that? Boom. And then I like to put a little bit on my nose. I'm sorry if I'm not looking directly at y'all. I'm actually using my front camera as a mirror because I forgot to bring my mirror into this new location that I'm filming at. So yeah. So I'm just going to put on my brows and then I will be back to do my eyeshadow look. Whew, so aren't we really up close and personal? Let me see if I can move you a little, or move the camera in a little bit so you can see my eyes, okay? So for this eye look, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Palette Nude palette. And just to give us a little soft look. So, so in my crease, I'm going to go in with this light brown shade right here. And just lightly put that in my crease. Look how pigmented that is. And I just did I really did that as light as I could. I promise you I did. But we're just going to blend that. And just to let y'all know, sometimes my eyeshadow looks a mess when I first start because I don't know how to do less instead of more. But I promise you all, it's going to look decent after this. It always does. Okay, just sometimes I just need a little bit of time to get myself together. And then when I get myself together, it looks decent. Okay, so I had to take a little extra time off camera to blend that in because it just wasn't doing what it should. And so to put in my eyes, oh my gosh, on my lid, I'm going to go in with this color right here. It is so difficult for me to do it like this, but yeah. So I'm just going to pat that on the center of my eye. These powders are very powdery. I'm sure you saw that fall out. And actually, I know you did because I saw it on my camera. So I'm going to go in with on this other eye. If you can't see this good, I really apologize. I need to just invest in day recording rather than doing it at night because it's my camera. I mean, my lighting isn't the best. So please forgive me for that. Please, 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 please don't go. Oh, I love you so. Please, please don't go. Who's that song from? Okay, who is it by? I want to know. If you know it, I want to know how old you are because oh, sorry, that was in the frame. I'm only 27 and I know that song, but I'm not going to tell you where I know it from. So I don't know if y'all can tell that I am so sorry. I don't know if y'all can tell I have this on my lid. Can you tell? I'm going to go in with my finger just to make sure. That looks better. Yeah, that looks a lot better on my finger. On my finger. Ooh, that looks a hell of a lot better. Okay. I just swiped myself in the mouth. There we go. It looks powdery. I know. We're going to fix it. We are going to fix it. Okay. So, now I just want to do something just simple. I'm just going to put something in my tear duct. I'm going to use this champagne color over here. Oh, you can't even see that. Oh my gosh. You know, this is one of my first tutorials, and so if I'm messing up, that's why. So I'm just going to put this in my tear duct you know, it's easy to just try to do it in like on the side of your nose. See? And it just really brightens up your look and makes it look a little bit more glamorous. All right, so off camera I'm going to do my mascara and eyeliner and mascara, and I'm gonna come back on camera and show you what I'm gonna do for lips. Okay, everybody, so now let's get into the lips. I have two lip possibilities for you. The first is this NYX Intense Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Cinnamon Roll. And this is if you want to go for a little darker kind of color compared to the other one that I'm going to show you. And just to clarify, this look is a look that, like, if you and your boo are just going somewhere simple, like, you know, maybe to the movies or bowling, or you're just going to stay at home and you just want to glam up a little bit, this is what that look is for, you know. So, if it's something just simple, you know, so that's it. Let me get that off my teeth. So that's it with this lipstick. And the next the next lipstick that I'm going to try on with this is the Too Faced Chocolate in the color Chocolate Honey. Okay, so now we're going to put on Chocolate Honey. Let's see how this looks. I'm being weird. Okay. There, ooh, that's pretty. Like, it looks like your lips, but better, but like a gloss. But anyway, if you like this makeup look, let me know. If the lighting is horrible, I mean, be nice about it, but let me know, because I'll know not to do this again. But I hope I gave you good ideas, or a good idea of how to get dressed if you want just a simple Valentine's Day look. I will have the products listed below. If I don't forget. If I do forget, remind me. But yeah, I hope this look was helpful to you all, and I'm going to come up with 2 other looks and a lookbook. So like 2 lookbooks. But anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe to my channel, boo. And I'll see y'all in my next video. All right, bye y'all.